you like it. This is why I don't play Amber, guys. The games are so fucking easy, guys. Feel sorry for neighbors. Bro, my room is closed, bro. And neighbors, the fucking neighbors here make more noises than I do, bro. Like they fucking on this fucking wall and I can hear them all fucking night, bro. It's just so annoying. And you can't do that. You can't do that. It's illegal to make noises after 10 p.m. in Germany. It's actually illegal. It's called suicide. So after 10 p.m. they're fucking each other. I can hear them, man. I am more mad.